everyone. I am Mrunali Bharat More from Mumbai and have completed my bachelor's in nursing. I have chosen hospital management specialization in IIHMR Bangalore for the academic year 2020-24. My internship in my UG was a step to switch from clinical to management field. And after doing a lot of research regarding healthcare management institutes across the India, I landed at IIHMR Bangalore. IIHMR gives us various opportunities, one being participation in national conferences such as KAHU conferences, where I got opportunity for paper presentation. Other opportunities including hospital visits, observerships and internships in various organizations provided us practical knowledge regarding the healthcare. Such exposure provides students knowledge and confidence and keep them updated with the latest trends in the healthcare industry. The 2 years of opportunities helped me grab various job opportunities, and I'm happy to share that I got placed before completion of our course. And I'm sure that all the students of IIHMR are the future leaders of healthcare industry.